All right, if you're a creator, you know this feeling. That blank page, that blinking cursor, it just sits there, kind of mocking you, right? You've got all these great ideas swirling around in your head, but the second you sit down to write, poof, it's all gone. It is one of the most frustrating parts of the job. So today, let's talk about a system designed to, well, to assassinate that blank page for good. The guy who created this system, Evan Kelly, he sets the scene perfectly. Imagine this. His toddler is finally asleep. He's got maybe a 2-hour window to get his work done. But he sits down, sees that cursor, and just nothing. His brain just completely empties out. It's that feeling of total creative paralysis. And if you've ever tried to create anything on a deadline, you know exactly what he's talking about. So after months of fighting this, deleting half-written intros and just rewriting the same sentence over and over, it finally clicked for him. The problem wasn't a lack of ideas. It wasn't writer's block. The real enemy was not having a system, a clear path to follow when you just don't have time to sit around waiting for inspiration to show up. So what'd he do? He built that path himself. He calls it Article Assassin. And look, this isn't about just churning out more content or trying to go viral. It's a tactical system for busy people who need to write with precision. It's about making sure every single article you publish actually hits its target, whether that target is a new subscriber, a sale, or just growing your audience. The whole system is built on 3 core parts, and he frames it like an assassin's toolkit, which is pretty cool. First, you've got the blade. This is all about writing headlines that actually cut through all the noise online. Then there's the stance. That's the structure that holds your article together and keeps people reading. And finally, you have the strike, the call to action that gets people to do something without you sounding like a pushy salesman. Okay, so let's grab the first weapon in the arsenal, the blade. Honestly, this is probably the single most important part of anything you write. I mean, you could write the most brilliant, life-changing article ever, but if the headline is boring, it just dies. Nobody sees it, no clicks, no shares, no impact.
So, does a sharp headline really make that big of a difference? Well, the proof is right here. The very first article the author wrote on Medium using these exact principles made him almost $2,000 from one post. Not from ads, not selling a big product, just the raw power of a great title.
And this was it. This was the headline. 3 things men don't want women to know. Think about it. It's bold, it's specific, and it is just dripping with curiosity. You almost have to click it. That one headline taught him a crucial lesson. If the headline hits, the rest of your content gets a fighting chance. If it misses, well, nothing else you wrote even matters.
So the system gives you 3 go-to headline styles you can basically start using right away. You've got the bold declaration, where you make a big, strong statement. Then there's the big idea, where you name a new trend or concept. And my personal favorite, the curiosity hook, which just opens up a little gap in the reader's mind that they feel compelled to close. And you can really see the difference here, right? It's night and day. The blunt headline is so passive. Have you tried this? The sharp one makes it powerful, specific promise. It's all about the benefit, and it just screams authority. One gets scrolled past, the other one earns the click, pretty much every time.
So, the blade worked. You got the click. Awesome. But now for the hard part, actually keeping them on the page. So many writers lose their readers right in the first few paragraphs, and that's where the stance comes in. This is the structure that keeps your reader locked in from start to finish. See, the stance isn't just about pretty formatting. It's like the hidden skeleton that gives your ideas shape and momentum. It's what makes a reader feel like they're in good hands. A clean, well-structured article builds trust. It basically sends a silent message to the reader that says, hey, I respect your time and I'm going to deliver what I promised.
And the framework for it is beautifully simple. First, stick to one main idea. Don't wander off. Second, break that idea into 3 to 5 clear sections with their own subheadings. Third, use short paragraphs and lots of white space. It makes it so much easier to read. And finally, treat every single subhead like its own mini headline. Make it interesting enough to pull the reader's eye down the page.
Okay, so you've hooked them with the blade, you've held their attention with the stance. Now it's time for the final move, the strike. This is the call to action, the part that, let's be honest, most creators either forget about entirely or they just fumble it by sounding like a used car salesman.
This system totally reframes the whole concept. A CTA is not a sales pitch. It's a path. You've just delivered something valuable to the reader. The CTA is just an invitation to take the next logical step with you. It should feel like a natural, helpful extension of the article, not some jarring ad at the end.
And the system uses this incredibly simple formula. If this, then that. This approach is genius because it directly connects the value the reader just received with the next action you want them to take.
It isn't pushy, it's helpful. You're basically just saying, hey, if you like that, you're going to love this next thing.
So here's how it works in the real world. You start by calling out a specific identity. If you're a busy dad, then you name a super clear benefit. Grab my free diet guide. And finally, you give them one simple, crystal clear action. Join my newsletter and grab the guide. It's targeted, it's valuable, and it's incredibly effective.
So what happens when you put all three pieces together? The blade, the stance, and the strike. What do you actually end up with? You get a complete, repeatable system for writing with precision, on command, every single time you sit down to work. And the benefits here are real. You'll write faster because you finally have a roadmap. You know what you need to say and how to structure it. You stop overthinking everything, and most importantly, you actually start getting results. More subscribers, more engagement, and more sales. Your writing stops being a chore and starts being an asset that actually works for you. And the price for this whole system? It's $17. That's it. It's a complete no-brainer. I mean, that's less than a couple of fancy coffees for a tool that can totally change how you approach your work. It's designed to give you an immediate return on that tiny investment.
And let me be clear, this is not some 300-page textbook filled with abstract theories. It's a short, tactical guide. It's designed so you can read it and start implementing it immediately. The whole point is to get you to stop overthinking and start doing, armed with a system that actually works.
So really, it all boils down to this one question. We spend so much of our time waiting for inspiration to strike, waiting for that perfect idea. But what could you actually accomplish if you stopped waiting and started treating your writing like a skill to be mastered? What could you build if you finally had a weapon to defeat that blank page for good?